This two-story luxury prefab container home is a modern, compact villa designed for comfort, durability, and flexibility. Built with a modular, expandable structure, it offers a smart solution for anyone looking to live simply without sacrificing style. Measuring either 20 feet or 40 feet depending on the chosen layout, the house includes a bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen, all fully equipped and ready to use. The home is constructed with high-quality, weather-resistant materials like galvanized steel frames, insulated panels, and waterproof coatings. These features help it stand strong in all kinds of climates, from scorching heat to heavy rain and snow. The main frame is made of solid square steel pipes, giving the house excellent structural stability. It's fire rated at Class A, wind resistant up to level 11, and earthquake resistant up to level 9. During snowy weather, it's important to clear the roof regularly to prevent buildup. Inside, the house comes with all the essentials: secure doors and windows, kitchen cabinets, a full bathroom with a toilet and shower, and built-in electrical and plumbing systems. Everything is designed to make daily living easy and efficient. One of the best things about this tiny home is how customizable it is. The owner can personalize nearly every detail, from the flooring and windows to the terrace, roof, and doors. The number of rooms and the overall layout can also be tailored to fit specific needs, whether it's for a cozy residence or a stylish workspace. With its sleek design, strong build, and flexible options, this prefab container home offers a smart and stylish way to live comfortably in a compact space. It's perfect for urban settings, remote locations, or anyone looking for a modern twist on tiny living. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.